Ola, yabo udin yo. Yes, woni producers. Mo kan bo mu. Eyi Agya Koo enu aduane efri.
Enye no kre.
No crack.
Who can we just say enye no ko bi an challenge?
Maybe they me can me proof.
Me ba so me ba o.
Maybe they me
proof ya ma ba o. So we dey esi ni twani.
Say mo bi an tafi be say na me say.
Me proof say
Me na mala.
me proof say what can
What ya say ma lewe.
They make can me say enye no kre no. Ade na ma me nche.
me go tire me say
What mo bi ka wa sem. Who ka say mo bi ka say
Ola na me no. Ola de me no.
And the man in shame we.
Ola de say me kama say so sumu a me okay. But say you Ola de say koye
Ele mo bi adi mi mpanta kwa bia. Ma kasa.
Only dey tia me say enye no kre say o say nipa bi kwotena as na eyi obi anu aduane afiri me na me say enye no kre. We say asam ka ye wo mu kwan bebrede ka asem. One here o kan ni say ya na akwa say ye koye obi abro. But the whole idea was we got to a point where not everything was about nipa bako. We can't sit in Ghana na nipa bako pe. And yes, so betting I see the whole Ghana. Why? So the idea was okay, young penny being count, young titi being count, young pushy being count. Na se nipa way bra, young timi transema or bra no need that no. So that the other people can also take over. Bonnie Benny, and you know boy ma ubedi kan.
On kasa
okay me modi and you know boy ko jon kasa le we mo bedi kan.
So modi di.
Ma be di kan me di ka wan.
Yeah, but that's a fact.
I don't say.
Mami say no.
Mami who so answer money answer we.
You know say na boy Emma who knows tomorrow. Esusu edi kan. We got to a point now after you do no lead character because it wasn't happening.
Me balance. You know me kan on patch wa down.
No, me share when Mr. Bulldog, Mr. No kasa.
Who me come I'm very interested in what you're saying.
See. So we obi a wo follow senior. E maybe a twemu. Who be sini bia na nipa ba ko pe. Everything was
nipa ba ko dey wine.
Yeah, Agya Koo.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Exactly.
And ye hu say no. Say ye pesa de ni kon kan a. How see titi bi ka ho.
Okay.
Into a person we meeting.
The meeting was not to put Obi aside, but was to push other people along. No.
Oba.
No. You cannot come home. Now come home. Now who sa? Now me come home. No, because I didn't care when I this no woman. And your Greece is no sir. And I'm saying, let me and you are near the south so can won can yan so TV. But no say, they won't say, and you can want to say. The main purpose of Mokotras, some trust say, Agya Koo. And
boom, Kasa.
A brawler.
Yes, bra.
What's the brawler?
Asem we me matida.
Yeah, Agya Koo Kasa kwa.
Good. Now, when you say you want to add on, yeah,
that's fine.
It's beautiful.
But to blacklist,
but to blacklist the person and not use them to shoot,
that's wrong.
Wow, you're wrong.
But nobody blacklisted you.
Wait. That time, you know, he was in no movie. You didn't cast him in any movie.
No. And I'm sure the TS, you know, so by Odru maybe or selected directors or non behavior. Producers of no behavior.
And chechem ko sa ko en kasa mo nya chechem sa ko.
Yeah.
Chechem sa ko sen mo ye ni mo.
Selected directors it was after this plan no. And then no be say or directors or no behavior. Producers or no behavior.
That's any choice.
Yes, it will be an original.
Yeah.
But unfortunately for him, now young producers need directors need doors to change one or selected woman. And those young producers no so need we kwadon kasa mo na akobetimo na e adwuma mo. So they began to produce more with these people and less with Agya. That's why Namuhuni said as a blacklist. But there was no blacklist, but he was working for a few.
Because different. What can you do? Different things. First, we'll see. Mutnasi ye meeting say nipa ba ko enim na ne hu and am push because see I see only directors be on one selected directors
along that line no along after that
it's after mo decide say mo use na enim
yes and no so so okoti bibi sa and no so yes okay me ne anod enkwan anod ye madam for me no kwan be tia director
but this happened
it no say who your producer na say bia o say la me direct ma wa so there be me pɛ no man of me and I'm a bulldog me
okay mami bi sa
me so my so okay
mami bi sa asem
bi sa me
meeting na mo ko tena ase no say na on come meeting no
he wasn't supposed to be
good
producers next year
good Inti muko kan wo ne chi no. So I say cool be.
And you cool a plan.
Whichever way. Call it whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Muko tena o say Charlie, we are bread into yemfe be mbu kan. Now, what did you expect him to do? If these are the people he works with all the time. And now, and you see, I'm sure, sir, before you enrolled him or you started casting him, you went to him to say, oh, brah, betra be mine. Obi suko brah. Until someone decided, say, mo person money ni juma bi ma. Then I'm over.
You're going to catch us and
obviously.
Wanna catch you?
No, listen. No, truth.
I don't know going to go catch us.
Maybe you have employment with OKFM, right?
No.
Hey, sorry. Despite media.
Despite
yes. Yes. Look. So much troll letter. Say omunu person omu ejuma. Ochina omu person omunu be ejuma bi uma. Omu be troll letter. Me was.
But some say
but no, I just cited that as an example.
An example here for
No.
For example, Papa.
No, you see, you are a wicked person.
Oh, no.
That's why. Yeah, no. That's why you are saying, say, example here for all I'm trying to say is say, Agya Koo didn't do wrong by choosing the people he wanted to work with. Because Mumu Kwakotina ne.
Now when I saw your bonnet,
Debbie, meba.
You guys saw your bonnet.
Ya Mumu ya ne bonnet.
Say yes, you have one man afofro so.
Debbie ene sa, mboa. Mu pesa mu boa, mu beka say okay, Agya Koo wenim. Now say you be trust scripts e be fa Agya Koo hu pe a. Ye di obi beka ne ho. Because someone no trust script no. He's just an actor. Are you people telling me say you are not creative enough to say instead of Agya Koo starring this movie, we'll start a movie with Only Way. Are you not that creative? Oh, I think why say. I think why say. Oh, so I'm saying say, munim dia mu pese mu ye mu blacklisted and tonight I say mu pese mu dey be count. It's sad, bruh. You don't look like it.
Who accuse me, son?
Me na me accuse you. You accuse you na me. No, me. What you do is son?
And I question me was that I don't know.